support you throughout this solar plexus journey. Allowing yourself to transmute, transform, and to release what no longer serves you.
3, 4, yes, 5, 6, and crunch it all the way in, nice and slow, control, engage the core, and let it out, and then come back to.
All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and come into our first downward facing dog. Now, with the downward facing dog, we're gonna keep those legs bent, okay? Keep the knees bent, all right? Because I really want us to be focused on our form here. Form is so important. Walk our hands over to the side of the mat. Turn the toes in, feet, back of the feet out, heels out.
For 2, 4, 6. Bringing the chest up, head up, breathe in.
Push off the back foot. Try to relieve that left knee. Exhale. Humble your warrior. Bring your chest in between your legs. Okay, breathe in. Exhale. I'm always thinking this, you know. Inhale, come back up to warrior 2. Breathe in. Pelvis forward. Engage the core so you can lower a little bit more if you can. Inhale, go ahead and bring that right arm behind you, left arm overhead, reverse your warrior, breathe. Open up the chest, exhale. Inhale, push off the back foot, do your best. Down to the left thigh, reach that arm, the right arm, right by the ear, all the way out, extend it, breathe. Open the chest, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now on the next inhale, you can keep your arm where it's at. Bring it over to the shin or the ankle. You're going to slowly straighten that left leg. You can drop the hand down to the mat, keeping that arm actually perpendicular to the side of the body. Straight up into the sky. Breathe in for your triangle. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, go ahead and bend that front knee. Now, you can stay where you are there. 2 more breaths here. Margin of variation, come back to that side. Ankle stretch. Look forward. Exhale, lower it down, relax those elbows. Inhale, all the way up. Flat back, look forward, exhale, let the head hang heavy, grab each elbow, ragdoll here. Okay. Doesn't this sound so fitting for solar plexus? We can try to, but I'm not that one.
Energetic herbalism is like hot and cold, or lax and tense, or dry and boggy. Today I wanted to serve calendula. It's like the first herb that I can think of when it comes to solar plexus. Like it's as vibrant as the sun. Have you guys had calendula tea before? Yeah. I'm gonna pass it around because I think it's really important to smell it, to engage with it, and really just get to know what you're intaking.
When I first saw it, it looks a little bit of chamomile. Does it have a little bit of in there?
It's the petals are yellowish. Sometimes they can come off a little bit vibrant, like orange. But chamomile is like yellow in the middle and then has white petals. So it's bitter, slightly sweet, and slightly salty. So that tells us that the bitterness is going to drain, cleansing fluid, and keep our vital energy flowing downward. The sweetness is going to tell us that it's nutritive, right? It has like all these grounding, beautiful mineral properties. I'm going to think of like sweet potato. And the saltiness has that water aspect. You know, like our kidneys drain our fluids, but the water in calendula is connected to our lymphatic system. So our lymphatic system holds all this like bacteria. And sometimes it's stagnant, and it's not like a heart where I can pump and like move. And so we need herbs, and we need like dry brushes and things like that to get our lymphatic moving. And so the tastes, the energetics of the warming and the drying will all incorporate to help get that flowing in our body. Stomach and back, chest, palms of your hands. And once you have it in your body, visualize it getting bigger. As it gets bigger, it's brighter. It's a reminder that we have our own inner sun. Calendula is going to pour into us and help move any stagnant energy, move any stagnant blood.
We never pour more water over herbs that are already been steamed.
Really?
Because it's not, so this is actually called a tisane. Tisane is like, exactly, water extracted from herbs versus tea is from Camellia sinensis, which is white tea, oolong, black tea, green tea. That's actually true tea. So this is actually herbs in a different form. But we just say tea because each just been westernized, right?
Yeah, that's true. I know the difference.
Yeah, but once you extract it, like it's not as medicinal. So as you sit it in hot water versus like true tea, you can steep it over and over and over and over. Like it's non-stop. You can get so many cups out of a tea versus like calendula. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna dump it.
Yeah, back in spirit. Back in spirit.
Yeah.
He has a bless
If you want
Well, this is
Nettle.
Do you make it?
Yes.
Spirit.
How do you do that?
Spearmint, chamomile, and I put lemon balm. But the lemon balm is a droplet. It's
Not the herb. So.
Do you buy already blended, or you make it blended yourself?
No, I blend it myself.
Ah.
Yeah, so I have each individual tea.
Or two.